It looks so good when it's wet. Goodness. And then, Lena, I really, you look so bad in this angle, Batumba Moti Muzuki. Ah, the people are gonna think you're an ugly dog. Hey, Kaya. Ow. Guys, this is so... Guys, I'm so sorry about this lighting. Maybe here is better. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for choosing to watch me today. DINEO, smash the like button. Focus. Smash the subscribe button and join the family. This is day 1 of the lockdown. So, oh my god. The lighting is very interesting. Okay. So I woke up, I cleaned, I took a bath, I went on the internet.
Because, you know, I ain't a thing without my wing. But when I wear eyelash extensions, I never wear wing lines.
I did some stuff, some investing in myself and stuff like that. And made some lemon water. Because TV Joshua said to do it. So anyway, I thought let me just do like a small series of like lockdown whatnot shenanigans. But then it's raining and it's cold. I wanted to like run around, wash her and maybe give her a haircut, but it'd be so inhumane if I did it today. But yeah guys, welcome to lockdown. The way I see lockdown is this: it's not punishment per se, but I think it's a time for us to invest in ourselves. We shouldn't just be sleeping. Let's not just be sleeping. I'll put some links down below of some stuff you can do. Go online and join Coursera. Start your little hobby indoors. If you're blessed enough to be able to watch this right now, then I'm pretty sure you have some resources at your disposal. There are a lot of people who are traveling to, like on the A1 yesterday, and I was so confused. Got the lockdown, you should just stay where you are. But now we don't know who has what and they're traveling, and it was just so weird to see. But I wasn't shocked because I guess I sort of understand both ways. Although guys, I want you guys to really take care of yourselves, eat well, exercise a little bit. Looking like Magunya, light skin, the good type. The good type of Magunya. You know those Magunya. Am I going on a rampage about Magunya now? Anyway, so I'm gonna try to do, let me actually not say anything. But yeah, welcome to the lockdown series. I don't think I've read my Bible well today, so I'm just gonna go on YouVersion and read to you what the verse of the day says, and we can go from there. And then I'll be like bye, because it's gonna be a very short video because it's just saying hi. So it's from Isaiah 55 verse 11. I read New King James Version because I've noticed that New International Version and some other versions are not very, they just skip some stuff, and I want all of it, you know. So anyway, it says, wow guys, let me put it on. So shall my word be that goes forth from my mouth. It shall not return to me void, but it shall accomplish what I please, and it shall prosper in the thing for which I sent it. Now, it's not speaking to me, and I'm not the type to just read the Bible and it's not speaking to me. So I'm just gonna open and read like 2 verses above and read along to see what it's saying. Okay, let's start from verse 9. For as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts. Beautiful. For as the rain comes down, and it's raining outside, imagine, and the snow from heaven, and do not return there, but water the earth, and make it bring forth and bud, that it may give seed to the sower and bread to the eater, so shall my word be that goes forth from my mouth. It shall not return to me void, but it shall accomplish what I please, and it shall prosper in the thing for which I have sent it. For you shall go out with joy, and be led out with peace. The mountains and the hills shall break forth into singing before you, and all the trees in the field shall clap their hands. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. Guys, I look so bad, but we thank the Lord for this day. I really pray that all of you take this time not only to like invest in yourselves and like maybe enroll for a course online and stuff like that, but also please pray, please draw closer to God. He really loves you. He's still in control. Like, please, I really want you guys' faith to grow during this period. I also want you as individuals to grow during this period and all that good stuff. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow for the beginning of random things. I don't even know how I'm gonna edit this, guys. I don't know how people do this every day. I used to say I don't have time, but now we have all the time to do the things that we really want to do, so I have no excuses. So let me just start editing. I love you guys. Be kind, be amazing, be the best version of yourselves. God bless you. God keep you. Talk to your children, talk to your family, you know, get to know each other again, be friends again, and all that stuff. God bless you. God keep you. I love you.